All right, my fellow YouTubers, we're going to be making the shirt today, but the difference with our shirt, we're going to make the shirt with a tie. We're going to start off with folding our bill in half. Once you have it folded in half, fold the edges, the side edges to the center. Do that on both sides. Open it back up. Choose either side, it don't matter. Do an airplane fold. Set the creases. Open it back up. Well, do it again. I'm sorry. Now, up under the airplane fold, we're going to put a crease right up under there, like that there. Now open it back up. Fold it back in half. Now, from this corner to this corner fold, we're going to give it a fold. Let's see that crease there. Fold this edge into this crease. And turn it over and do the same thing for this side. Open it back up. Do your airplane fold. Fold it backwards. Turn it over. Now the folds you did on both sides of those airplane folds, we're going to fold it in. Fold it in like so. And lay her down flat. Like that right there. Alright, you see the tie coming along? That's the tie. Now, take these outer edges and fold it to that center line again. You can fold it over the tie for right now, because what we're going to do is tuck it up under the tie once you have the fold. Tuck it right up under the tie. Do the same for the other side. Tuck it up under the tie. Now what we're going to do is fold the bill, but we want to come to about right here. And how you estimate that length is, you see this corner of the tie to the bottom of the tie. You want that much space in between the bottom of the tie and the bottom of the shirt. So kind of eyeball it and give it a fold. You're going to fold it back again at the corner right here. This is the shoulder of the shirt. You'll see it when it comes along. Give it a fold down. Now, once you have that folded at the bottom of the shirt, fold it right up even with the bottom of the shirt. And then again, turn it over. Fold this top half to the bottom of the shirt. Like that there. Okay, now open her back up like this. Leave them folds right there, because what we want to do is put a fold here and a fold here while we open here. So it's going to be something like this right here. Go all the way open until the corner of that shirt, up into the corner there. See how the ends meet like that? And you want to do the same for the other side. Just kind of take your time with it sometime to get that right, because these are going to be the sleeves of the shirt. See? See, that's coming along and that's coming along. Make sure that stay folded. Now what you want to do is go ahead and open her up a little bit if you like. It doesn't matter. I'm sorry, hold up. I'm sorry about that. Make sure you put this back like this first. I'm sorry. Then fold it to the center. So don't forget to open this flap back up like this, but leave that folded and fold it to the center. And just make sure the corners touch like that, because this is going to be the collar of the shirt. Now you're going to fold this forward, creasing it along here. But how you determine where the crease is where the collar meets the top of the shirt. So kind of put the tie up inside the collar, then give it a crease. Like that there, and there you have it, your shirt with a tie. If you like this video, YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will try to do a money origami video each week. Thanks for watching. And again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.